for 515 demos. We talked about harvest. We talked about shipping 1.0, and we showed some benchmarks, movements, and showed also the link. I saw that Dan created the document page for that. What do we have today? We have demos. We have the pics, and we will let Victoria talk about harvest.
Maybe Dave joined us
Maybe.
today to make a demo.
Maybe.
I don't know if he wants to talk or.
I don't have a demo today.
Awesome.
Okay.
Well,
Thanks.
welcome, Dave.
Thanks.
Where are you based? I don't remember. Europe.
I'm in the US.
In where? What?
I'm in the US.
Yes.
Michigan.
Okay. Victoria then.
Yes, thank you. So I would like to talk about harvest as usual. So if you can go to the OrchardCore.Net page, then I would like to talk about that we have a new page here where you can find all the important details. You can get your tickets as well, and that's from last year. Yes, and also another important thing is that we have now a form, which is the call for speakers. So if you want to be a speaker, you can suggest a session using this form on that link, and you will also find all the important details regarding that. And the deadline for this application is the 15th of June, because we would like...
What? Sorry.
Yeah, the 15th of June. Because we would like to announce the speakers as early as possible. Yeah. And yeah, so you can find all the important things on the OrchardCore.Net page.
Do we have a list of sessions that we're looking for speakers to fulfill, or is it bring your own session kind of thing?
It's hard to say, oh, we want a session about that. Oh, wait, we've done that, like localization. We said, okay, we can talk about it, and Benedict, Sultan, or Hisham. Oh.
Yeah, well, maybe we collected, we did a survey or something. We collected, opinions to see what people are interested in, and then we can have some sessions, and then
it's usually
and also if you check out on the top, there are leading teams, what we have collected already, but if somebody wants to talk about something else, they can suggest it as well, and then we decide together what will be the best topics, or what we will organize in the end.
Okay, great. I may fill up the form if I don't just assume ID. Orchard have a speaker toolbox.
Yes.
Ooh. Awesome. Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Very simple website. And we even have access to the one from last time. Good. Then status. Here. What do we have? From 5.14, we have Benedek updating versions and Ambiguity localized services from Azure, localized taxonomy action names. I'm not sure. Yeah. So name of the live the base controller, interesting. And then content item released before custom enforcement event triggers. There was an event, a workflow event that was triggered to 8 and not allowed to validate a form, so now we can do that. Or would have the wrong values for the content item, so we fixed it. OrchardCore. Yeah, we have from there update.net. So I have everything in trust here. Support deserializing string to numeric values. Mike, we added the option to the JSON serializer options that if you have a string representing a number in a JSON document and bind it to a number, then it will work. It's string, but it's bound to the bird in this case. Benchmarking documentation, I mentioned that earlier, link to the continuous benchmarks. This is, yeah, the continuous benchmarks. Unnecessary placement rules for the content. Okay. Looks update, resilience update. StorageBlob update. OpenId to explicit reference identity protocol OpenId. Or because of transitive dependencies. Okay. What we could do, I'm sure Isham is listening, is replace this package management tag that was created specifically for Orchard by the one which is package version with central directory packages management. And then we can remove some of these big tasks that handle the package management here and just support the standard one from .NET now. Update ContentItemVersionId with GraphQL. This should not be null. Why should it be null? I'm not sure. This, maybe, but this one, I don't see a reason why it should be null. Um, in the main feed, what's the okay? It's custom thing for the user. Custom user settings. Then sign it. Ah, custom user settings. The information page doesn't display space between two elements. You do have to see. The display driver will automatically encode the saved object. It won't assign a value. The content item version of it. Maybe it's a linear content item. Ah, wait. Register a default token provider to allow you to reset password. I'll be default token provider.
The problem is we have on the default feature, the Orchard users, we have a way for the admin to reset the user's password. And if you don't have a default provider or some sort of a token provider for resetting passwords, then it doesn't work. So that adds a default provider. So if some admin is resetting it, user password, it will still work.
Okay. Their site settings cache after the update because the site settings are cached and can be updated. So now we are saying the other cache. Document manager. My next target. We saw Dean commented on an issue related to that, explaining why we have that and the story and the reason. And I don't think he was totally against finding ways to not have that. When you return URL from this profile link, what is that? If there is a return URL, use it. Okay, this makes me better. This is not, I haven't seen a problem here. Local redirect and redirect to action. That's good. Way to specify the name to send notifications to. The title doesn't inspire any confidence. It scares me. It's related, a task.
We have a task to notify user, but it doesn't really do anything. And so I just added in the driver a way to specify one or more users to be able to notify them.
Expression.
It's part of the workflow. Yeah.
Expression. Split. Usernames. Load the users by using Yeah, we also have added a limit there just to say can't send a task to more than 1,000 users in the text box or something that will probably fail before you reach there. Oh. Where is it used? What user is seen? hidden. Yeah. Where is the editor? Okay, usernames. Okay. 3 to 10. Question from noise. Oh, editor support, but we don't need that. Oh, but whoa. We don't need that. Wait. So many people have asked for it, I believe. So we don't use that because it's new, but we could do something with that. So what it does is you have something like example. This one. Now you can create visitors for the template to alter the template or to look at the template. And this one example is implementing the visit member, which is when you access a property in the template. And it will just, so this visitor will look for a specific identifier like model or like, I don't know, content item. And if you have something that uses content item in your template, it will flag it, okay? But you could do something like this that will take a list of valid identifiers and just ensure that all the identifiers that you are using in the template are among this list, and then return you the ones that are found that are not from this list, or one that will return all the identifiers that are used in a template. So you could validate them or list them or do something like that. So that could be a feature to add in Orchard, and using that to check if it's doing something wrong or if it has something that it should do in a template. So that's allowing some scenarios. That could be interesting. You can even rewrite a template. So you could remove any usage of a filter or a loop or anything from the template, or check. Yeah, so that allows all of this. So that's maybe something that will be done later. Azure AI Search README update. Okay. Back update. new phone numbers, new MimeKit, template preview was broken, was missing the full script, so now it's working again. And here we saw the issue when we triaged, and I thought it was never working, so apparently it was just missing that. That's great. Requires jQuery. Yeah, the preview requires jQuery. The sequential template should show that 8 only. Okay, because we are only targeting at 8 right now. YesSqlOption configuration provider. Get section. Oh, from the app settings. Okay, with an example. Okay, because it was not before. Nice. Yeah. It's scary to show these things or others, because by showing that, you're actually, hey, what? Maybe you want to change that, and people will change it, and probably should not change anything there. Like this one, I think you already have some value based on the provider, or maybe it's always true. I don't remember. Yeah, it could have some.
Those are the default values. It's true by default, and then false by default for the enable thread safe, and then the commit page size 500. Those are just the default.
I'm not sure if we can have all their defaults dynamically. Nope, we don't. Like for SQL Server, maybe it's slower to use KT or SQLite, I don't know, but no, it's to be by default everywhere. But there is no code that is using that already. Oh, and so this is new. Check. This is done. So these were the defaults that we had in Azure. Okay.
Now these have been the default for a long time, but yeah.
SMTP-Service extension effects. AI search was broken. How to find the changes. Okay, this is a change. Okay. Apparently there was an issue with index names. They were not maintained.
No, there's a couple issues. One of the issues was that the name of the step was incorrect. So when we export it, we export a name, and then if you try to import it, it wouldn't work because it's not correct. It's not using the correct name. And then there was in the drivers, there was a default value issue. It wasn't loading the setting value. There was another issue. I forgot what it was, but it's just multiple issues.
One is CA 1805. So the idea is to show when the 1805 is triggered instead of hiding it. This way shows you don't need to do that. It's the default value. That was the reason why that I'm not opposed to that. Okay. And if there was something triggered this change. Nope. Okay. 64% of the time in the login screen. Left, voice selector, by default, and password button. Oh. Yeah, may have worked at some point, but if this is bound now, we need to terminate it. It's good. Some other ones. Maybe in this case, the underscore. Okay, still, I'm worried that had a meaning actually, but it's an extension method, so it might not. That's weird. It's interesting that we could remove that. I didn't think we could remove that. Oh no, it was commented. Okay, so we can. Okay, enter docs update. BagPart will be collapsed. Some JavaScript issue. Okay. Ordering of the JavaScript issue. So this depends on that. Okay. LinkedIn and Discord links. LinkedIn and Discord. How is the activity on Discord? Oh, there's a link.
I think it's something they started recently. I don't use Discord, so it's just we have so many channels, and like who wants to maintain 1,000,001 things?
20 invited us. Should I accept? Ah, ha, 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 ha. They think some jokes. And click to learn more. What is that like? Wait to say I. That's weird. Okay, I can keep it multiple times. Can I delete that? It's a very active form. Lots of waivers. Okay. Even Antoine is waving like they. Okay. Can we write code?
Sebastian, did you ever tweet it about the conference?
Yes, I did.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I retweeted.
Okay.
I tweeted with the Orchard account and I retweeted myself.
Oh, okay.
It was a beautiful tweet.
If you have a LinkedIn account, also we have we've been trying to activate that channel with posting, so maybe you can post something or reshare something that we already have on LinkedIn too.
This one. Share. Twitter here. Oh, it works. Beautiful. There and JSON path 105, which was updated to 104 a few days ago. Now it's 105. It's even better. Good. Questions, comments, topics? 2.0. How is 2.0 going?
Last time I checked, there's still 2 outstanding issues. One of them is waiting for you to investigate. The other one, I haven't got a chance to dig into it, but the settings,
We fixed it.
you know, nope, that didn't fix it. When you hit save settings, you reload the page. I tried one time to reproduce it in the source code. It doesn't. It's not an issue. But on a like external library, then it breaks. I haven't got a chance to it, but
For this, I had to do something for this one, right?
I think last time you said you want to look into it. You want to actually test it out.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I fixed something related to case insensitivity in Parlor, but that's not related. It shouldn't be related. No, that's not related. Okay, so that's the 2 issue to fix. This one, it worked before.
Yeah, I never seen that issue. When you save settings, and reload the page,
I know.
you still see the old settings. Yeah.
Then you
Well,
created a PR recently about that?
Yeah, I did. That's a clear settings.
No, not that. The multiple deferred commit when the site is requested to restart, and could it be related? Custom settings, or is that not related to custom settings? It shouldn't be related to custom settings. It doesn't restart the site. This thing doesn't. Custom settings don't restart the site, right?
No, they don't. Well, they could. They could.
Sure, custom settings.
They could. They can request a release.
So is it possible that PR had an impact on that? Interesting.
But when you update it, right, even if you have a singleton object, right, if you don't update database, it should update the document. So it should update the memory and then
Me too.
and then saves it.
But you know, the document manager, immutable, mutable, like you mentioned, like sometimes are those there. That's
Yeah, well, that's the issue.
so another reason to get rid of the document manager. Okay, to be. Okay, this to be good. That's how you are sick. So what were you saying when I said topics, whatever? You was about to say something.
I wasn't.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe
it was
someone
me.
else.
Double.
Yeah, I was just wanted to mention that we had our third OrchardCore pair programming by Lombiq today, where we started building a content warning module with Brasher. If you are interested in about the recording, I pasted the link in the chat. And next week we will continue building this module.
So the same link as here. Oh, because this was next week. So I have the
Yeah,
link
exactly.
already. Wow. So good. But when I click, what's happening? Okay, it's loading. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so you have the link for next week. So
Exactly.
where is the link for next week? So I can paste it and it will be recorded and people will see it.
I already pasted the
Now
next
I
link
get
in the
it.
chat.
Thanks you. So here. So what's the name of the series?
It's called OrchardCore pair programming by
Programming by
Lombiq.
Lombiq.
Mhm.
Pair programming. When is next week? You know the date?
Next Monday.
Okay.
Oh no, sorry, Tuesday.
Well, it depends. Are you sure it said Tuesday, but at the same time it says in 6 days, May 28th. That's Monday. That's Monday at 7 p.m. Paris time. So I heard something, someone on Discord. Hey, he's here. Okay, cool. That's great. I still haven't watched them. Too busy. Okay, cool. Other questions, comments, topics? All good. Okay, well, then I see you on Thursday. Yes, and next Tuesday, let me think. Yes, also. Yeah, all good. I was not sure to join today because I was build conference and I need to go, but not right now. Thanks, everyone. See
Thank you.
soon.
See you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye bye.